Hello. You found a box. What a good cat. A minute ago he was digging around in the bottom. I don't know what he was looking for.
He tries to pull up the bottom.
Now what? In we go. Oh, turning around. Oh, this box almost doesn't hold him. There he goes, digging for China.
Maybe there's a way into the house that way.
Maybe we should move that box, make sure they're not secretly starting a tunnel. Where'd you go? Where's my Gandalf? Psst, psst, psst. Hello. Where are you?
Watch out. We're waiting.
Oh, I saw you. Oh, the tip. Oh, hello. No, we're camera shy.
Oh, he's waiting for you to look into this for the game.
I see he's having a bath. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. I see you. What a clever purr. Can you hear the purrs? Oh, here comes the other one to find out what's going on. That wasn't me, honey. That was Pura. What was that? Oh, no, no more.
Okay.
We're not really interested. No, we're just going to lie down and roll over. Oh, look. There's a stick. That's so much more exciting than a box. Especially when the box has claws. I don't think he's watching. Oh,
This is
you are watching. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later.
Stop that soon.
We're done.